Hey guys, it's your girl Lives with the Roberts. I want to tell you thank you for commenting, tell you thank you for liking and subscribing. So guys, in today's video, as we are aware, if you're from Liberia, it is the dry season now. And guys, we are deciding to repaint our building. We're just using something they call whitewash on it until we're ready to put the actual paint on the building. So that's what we're doing in this video. And guys, I think also this is helpful because we don't need the government to tell us to paint our building when it's looking bad or after the rainy season. So I just wanted to share this, but keep us in your prayers because of the height of the building is very difficult to get people all up there to paint around. So I just wanted to show it, and that's what we're doing now. So keep us, and I hope you are planning to do the same to your property back home. Remember what I always say, God time is the best, and stay blessed. Keep subscribing, guys.